Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you and explain to you step by step exactly how to use the UnionBank virtual credit card, as you can see. And basically to be able to actually use it, as you can see, you will need to firstly unlock your virtual card. So what you're going to do firstly to be able to unlock it is to go into your UnionBank app and then also, of course, log into your UnionBank account. And now you should be taken to a page similar to this, as you can see. And then what you're going to do, you're going to find where it says right like this, card is locked. Click on unlock in here, as you can see. And then the step number 2, you're going to, as you can see, you will receive a one-time password OTP on your registered mobile number. So you will actually receive now a code on your mobile number, and make sure that you enter it in here, and if it's correct, then you're going to now be proceeded to this step right here, as you can see. And to be able to actually unlock it in here, it's very simple. You need to find where it says lock unlock in here, as you can see, and then just enable this one right here to be able to unlock it, as you can see. And you will also be taken to this page where it says like this, are you sure you want to unlock your card? And then you're just going to click, of course, unlock my card here, and you will once again unfortunately get like an OTP code that you need to enter. And when you have entered it and everything is correct, then you will be able to unlock your virtual credit card on UnionBank. So that is basically exactly how you can unlock it, and that is going to be the first major step for us, is to of course firstly unlock the card before we can even try to use it. And as you can see, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. Virtual cards can only be used for online transactions, so you're not able to go into a store and use that specific card, just so you know. So if you're currently wondering how to actually use it on a store itself, unfortunately it's not possible. You cannot go into a store and use it. You need to actually be using it online, as you can see. And your credit card details, yeah, obviously you will be able to see all of your details. This right here is just an example from UnionBank themselves. This is not my own details. This is only an example from UnionBank themselves, all of these details right here, but it's going to show something similar to you as well. You will be able to view all the details in here, as you can see, and you can always go back into your UnionBank mobile app and double check. And then if you're going to use it for online transactions, that's no problem. As long as you have actually activated the card, you can use it for online transactions, but not physically. You cannot go into a physical store and use it, just so you know. But that is basically exactly how to use the UnionBank virtual credit card.